Raw inventory. Premium materials form the foundation of a quality LED bulb. SMT. Precision. High-speed SMT technology ensures accurate chip placement. Solder inspection. Microscopic inspection ensures zero circuit defects. Conveyor flow. Streamlined production moves drivers toward assembly. Component loading. Cleanroom loading improves reliability. Machine calibration. Optimized systems ensure mass production. Heat sink. Coating. Automated coating improves heat. Manual precision. Synchronized teamwork drives the heart of the assembly line. Thermal bonding. High-pressure bonding ensures long-lasting LED life. Internal wiring. Expert handling provides precision wiring for safety and stability. Cap. Pressing. Industrial punching secures the B-22 base quickly. Soldering station. Professional soldering guarantees permanent connections. Glue application. Automated waterproof sealing delivers a perfect finish. The aging room. 4-hour aging test ensures zero early life failures. Stress testing. Built to last with durability and impact resistance tests. Voltage range test. Stable light from 90V to 260V for full protection. Laser branding. Precision laser engraving marks every Amir Tech unit. Final inspection. QC experts provide the final quality sign-off. Automated packing. Efficient packaging ensures products reach customers worldwide.